Friends, Running Kimono here. So I'm a little late to this party. So many influencers are talking about the hot AVEENO deal over at Walgreens, and if you didn't catch it, I will talk about it again. I know that Dawn's Deals had it on her YouTube channel earlier this week. So I'm just going to explain this deal, but thank you to every influencer who's mentioned this deal because it's really great. It is to grab 2 body washes and then 1 lotion at $30. So, at most stores, this little thing is showing up. It's a little card with a QR code in the back. And basically, when you scan the QR code, you just open up your cell phone, your smartphone's camera, and I'll show you the QR code here in a second, plus the website if you're not into QR codes. I know some people don't like them. It'll send you to this site that says that when you spend, I think, a price point of 30, you get back 10. I will look at the logistics here in a second, and it's between September the 4th to the 22nd. Now, there are so many different rebates and magic that are all stacking at the same time, so it's making this deal really, really good. But anyhow, if you're into QR codes, I know some people are, here it is. Alternatively, I also have the website too, because I know not everybody likes QR codes. I'm one of those people. I'm not a fan of QR codes. I never have been. But this is the website. It's called AVEENO SensitiveSkinEvent.com, right at the top. It's either to get a $5 or a $10 rebate, and I believe with a $30 purchase, you will qualify for the $10 rebate, which is either a Venmo or a PayPal $10 drop to your account, which is really lovely. Just to show you in the store, the body washes are also part of this promotion of to spend 20, get back 5. So that's why I opted for that. And the body wash that I got were, I believe, like $10.49 each. Definitely open up the IBOTTA app and scan to make sure that your body washes are attaching, because there's an IBOTTA rebate to go with this. So many little things. But 2 of these body washes at $10.49 each, you will qualify for the $5 register reward. Just to give you some eyes on exactly what I bought, if you want to mirror the deal identically, we have the Daily Moisture, this specific one, lightly scented. And then also the Daily Moisture Lotion. So 2 body washes and 1 lotion, that will get you right to $30. I had a $2 digital for the lotion only. The other items, I didn't have anything coupon-wise. So this one is a little bit out of pocket, just to note that. To give you guys some eyes on like what the digital coupon looks like, I think this is obviously it, I don't think. You were only able to load it last week, so if you didn't load it, tough, sorry. IBOTTA also has a rebate for $2 back for each, so you will get $6 back. And even though I used a digital coupon on one of the items, I still got my $2 back on every single item. So that was really nice and interesting to test over at Walgreens. More layers to the cake, guys. The coupons.com app also has $2 back for that lotion potion. So I got an extra $2 back as well. Now, this is that website I was showing you, or the QR code. You have to register your email and then put a photo of your purchase, and then you'll get the drop either through PayPal or Venmo. I tried twice, and then now I went to a manual review. So I'm assuming that within 48 hours, they'll let me know. A lot of people are saying they're getting theirs really quickly. Mine went into a manual review. I think maybe, did they run out of money? If they had a budget of $5,000, did they go through all that? Is there as many people to go to Walgreens and buy all of these, I don't know, to get that $10 rebate? Who knows? Or I did it wrong, possibly through my cell phone, which I've been known to do. I should have done it on a desktop computer with the website, but I guess I was overly confident with my cell phone skills. So I'm under a review, so hopefully I'll get this ASAP. And as a pinned comment, when I get it, I'll let you guys know, or if it gets denied, I'll also let you know. So if you're kind of on the fence about this deal, be on the lookout for that pinned comment, but as of recording, I don't have any info for you guys. I also threw this guy in. I had a booster on one of my store cards of $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. So I have to pay with my debit card for this one, but I'm like, hey, why not? So just to show you my overall basket of the 2 body washes and the 1 lotion, mathematically, let's go through the breakdown of this. The 2 body washes for $21.58, the 1 lotion for $8.99, for a grand total of $30.57. I have 1 digital coupon plus my booster loaded. With my debit card, I paid $28.57 plus tax. I got back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $10 register reward for the $30 purchase, plus another $5 register reward for buying the $20 in body wash, plus $2 back from the coupons.com app, $6 back from the IBOTTA app. So right there, it makes it 57 cents for the three. And then making that application to the QR code or the website, you're getting an extra $10 back from that PayPal drop or the Venmo drop, making it free plus a $9.43 money maker. As you're using a spend booster, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But yeah, what a great deal. So this, to spend 20, get back 5 on the body wash, this is what the little register reward will look like. The other one is a $10 one from AVEENO. Here's a funny story for you. At my store, they ran out of paper today in the Catalina machine, so nobody was getting anything. So that is kind of like frustrating, but it is what it is. Or the machine was off, I don't know. The very, very, very nice manager, he took care of me and then put $15 on my store card, so I was really happy. But I've seen enough influencers show the $10 register reward, which is a manufacturer register reward, and then this little $5 one that are printing out in concert. If you're a super uber nervous shopper, I wouldn't do this deal, or if you're just not very experienced, because it might take a bit of finagling and this and that. And I will let you guys know too that you can't get in touch with Catalina and say, I have a missing register reward, because they're probably going to say no, because that is like a month-long promotion, and it has to be week-long promotions in the flyer for them to honor it, which is like, it is what it is. But good luck with this one, guys. And if any of you have done it today, please let me know in the comments if you've had luck. I have just had a very trying and weird day. I don't know. It's just I've been going through it today. So hopefully my $10 PayPal thing drops. Obviously, the really nice manager at my store helped me out. He's so, so nice. Always good to have a great relationship with the managers at your store. But I know some of you, that's not even possible. But what an amazing deal. Even if I don't get the PayPal drop, it's still like, super uber cheap. And AVEENO is a quality product. Okay, my friends, before I take off, I just want to mention that I believe on Monday morning, I released this video on the Dollar General clearance event. That will be this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So the 7th, 8th, and 9th. Typically with this sale, everybody and their grandma goes out on that Friday, because when you can get a lot of food, cleaner, HBA, those sort of products at a rock bottom price, I mean, who wouldn't go out and just buy absolutely everything? So what I'm going to suggest, in case you missed this video, is to give this one a watch. There's lots of useful information, and I am providing UPCs on probably more than 100 products. It's a longer video, but if you love the Dollar General, and if you have some in your area that nobody really shops at, this might be an opportunity for you to score really big. And with staffing issues and just like nobody's on the floor, a lot of this stuff might be in the regular section as well if it's not in the clearance section. That also might be kind of like a really cool opportunity for you to score a lot of this stuff for like, next to nothing. So as always, thanks for watching. Dollar General video right here, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.